Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for now. And I've seen a lot of noise in social media around this being a breakout, and it's going to be a violent move. At the moment, I disagree with that opinion. May change it later today, but we do have a follow through. So we've got a green bar with a green bar follow through, breaking a previous high or previous two highs at the moment. But the problem is, if you look here over the pretty much for this month, we've been making new highs all along. But look at the oscillators, they've been making new lows. So there is divergence here. My view at the moment is top of trend, top of channel. And the top of the channel is up there. So just do that. Take one of these off. You do need to keep this in place. So you can just see this is the previous fractal here. So you need to pay attention to that zone at the moment. But to me, that is top of channel, top of range, sorry. If we just move down to the 3 hour, you'll see why all the excitement. If you look at it, below the bottom of the range, above the top of the previous range, and here's the range at the moment. But that is, to me, the bigger range top. And this down here will more than likely be the bigger range bottom. So that's the view that I have at the moment. Look at the oscillators at the moment. Not an area I want to be long at the moment. So just come down to the hour, because this is going to be critical. Because if it is a breakout of the range like we're expecting, but look at the oscillators group to the upside. When it broke the range to the downside, the oscillators grouped, and then the buyers stepped in. Oscillators are grouping, and are the sellers going to step in? So there are a few things we need to pay attention to. The first one is obviously this 15,700. I'm just going to add another level here just to line up, and it's not going to line up. So what I am looking for is we need a retest of the 155, but that's quite far down, and I don't really see anything that's going to offer any support. That's probably the best bet that we've got, is 15,674. So this is what I'd be waiting for, 15,674, or alternatively 15,719. So 15,674, 15,719, or probably 15,700 in between that would also offer some support. So I'd want to see price come back onto here, and if it can hold and we can get a second day above the 1 hour moving averages, there's definitely opportunity there. I just want to close off with a 15-minute just to highlight any potential trades, and yeah, there's nothing here that really indicated to me that there would have been an entry here. And as it was a little bit scary jumping in long up here. So no trade for me there. We do have a bit of a magnet at the downside, this big gap. And yeah, there's, I'm sit on hands. I think the trend is up. But we are top of a range. So I'd want to see us pull back onto structure, and then ultimately we need to break and retest 15,800. If we can get above 15,800, then I would agree we're on our way up. But at the moment, I think probably another pullback onto structure, hopefully. And if we can get onto this area here at 15,700 area and find some support, your stop will be below the low of yesterday, and then see if you can get a move to the upside. But remember what I said yesterday, this has been in a range for a long period of time. So this is basically the second month, and we were basically ranging for 4 months. So it was ranging here, then volatile, up and down, then ranging again. So we've been confused for 4 months. So to think that you're just going to get some miraculous move to the upside without a decent catalyst, I think is not the right thought process. So just play what you see. And right now it is smaller time frames, wait for the pullbacks and buy into it. Simple as that. Okay. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.